More flip-flopping. We're going to have some more practice with changing the position of kyaa, which can mean what or do.
नमस्कार, हरा धनिया बारीक कटा हुआ 1 टेबलस्पून आप सबको बहुत
Hi everyone, welcome to day 14 of the 30-day Hindi challenge. Our vocabulary for today is aloo, 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 which means potato, aloo. Our second vocabulary word for today is aam, 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 which means mango, aam. And our final vocabulary word for today is mithai, 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 which means a sweet or a dessert, mithai. Now let's take some time to look at our grammar key. Today we're going to continue practicing what we've learned in the previous 2 days. Remember that we've learned that if the question word kyaa comes after the pronoun you or I or he, she, it, any other pronoun, that it means what. So aap kyaa, what do you eat or what do you drink? But if the question word kyaa comes before the pronoun, if it comes at the beginning of the sentence, kyaa aap, then we are asking rather, do you? Or does he, does she, etc. We've only so far learned you. So think aap kyaa, what do you? Kyaa aap, do you? Okay, and we're going to continue to practice this today instead of going over some new material. So our first grammar key for today is aap kyaa khate or khati hai. What do you eat? Speaking to either a male, saying khate, or speaking to a female, saying khati. Aap kyaa khate hain? Aap kyaa khati hai? Now, when we simply change the position of kyaa in this word and say in this sentence, and we say kyaa aap, all of a sudden the meaning has changed and we're asking, do you eat something? And we're going to ask them specifically if they eat this or that. So our second grammar key of the day is kyaa aap mithai khate hain? Or if we're speaking to a woman, kyaa aap mithai khati hai? Do you eat sweets? Kyaa aap mithai khate hain? Kyaa aap mithai khati hai? That's our grammar key for today. Now we're going to go ahead and move on to our drills. Okay guys, you know the drill. Let's drill it. Our first drill of today is aap kyaa khate hain? Aap kyaa khate hain? What do you eat? And we're going to do the conversation sort of thing. We're going to do the question and response. So the answer to this question would be, main mithai khata hoon. Main mithai khata hoon. I eat sweets or I eat dessert. क्या आप आलू खाते हैं? क्या आप आलू खाते हैं? Do you eat potatoes? Do you eat potatoes? क्या आप आलू खाते हैं? And again, this is a question that we're asking a man. To which he would respond, हाँ, मैं आलू खाता हूँ. हाँ, मैं आलू खाता हूँ. आप क्या खाती हैं? Aap kyaa khati hai? What do you eat? This time we're asking this question of a woman, to which she could respond, main aam khati hoon. Main aam khati hoon. I eat mangoes. Kya aap aam khate hain? Kya aap aam khate hain? Now we're asking a man, do you eat mangoes? to which he could respond, हाँ, मैं आम खाता हूँ. हाँ, मैं आम खाता हूँ. Yes, I eat mangoes. And those are our drills for today. Hi everyone, that's it for day 14 of the 30-day Hindi challenge. And I just want to say I really appreciate how you all have shown your support for the 30-day challenge. You're doing day 14 right now, but in my world, it's only the second day of the challenge and we just launched. And you all have just really shown your appreciation and support for the challenge and been posting on social media and been giving me some good reviews. So I'm just so thankful to all of you who are doing the challenge, and keep it up, and we'll see you back here tomorrow. Thanks, guys.